was super advanced in the way she was waiting on it.
Hi, beautifuls.
She's just now catching up on something.
Uh-oh. Get up. Her hair's gotten long in the last month.
Castle Caitlin.
Can actually go in a little ponytail on top.
Mwah.
She likes to give her the troll look, you know, just the one ponytail on top. I want to teach her to go.
Yeah. Come on, horse. Huh?
What are you doing? Tearing that seat up. It wasn't me.
$15 chair.
What? Where at? Goodwill?
Habitat.
Oh.
Restore.
The Salvation Army one?
Restore.
Where's
Bring it
that
from
at?
Chick-fil-A.
Where's that at?
I would tell you to go if you needed stuff, but that place was so wiped out. And I
Which
said, are
Chick-fil-A?
donations
Oh,
down?
I
She's
know what
like,
you're talking about.
we can't keep the stuff in the door.
How long ago was that?
I thought that. Gosh, it's probably been 2 years now.
Leave your socks
I
on,
always
young lady.
I always forget about going to Habitat or Salvation Army or Goodwill or something to get stuff. I always just think Walmart. It's the cheapest place other than that.
Salvation Army's good on furniture, but they're expensive.
Really.
And this place has been cheaper for a while.